Hey everyone, it's Lewis here of Untitled Pizza, and today I'm going to make skillet pan brownies in an Ooni. So for this recipe you're going to need 115 grams of unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon of oil, and that could be either olive oil, vegetable or sunflower oil. You'll need 2 large eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract or essence, 50 grams of cocoa powder, 80 grams of flour, normal all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 225 grams of caster sugar. So what you want to do is melt that butter, and then once it's melted you want to add it into the sugar and then mix well. Once it's all mixed, you then want to add in your vanilla, your eggs, your oil, and then whisk until smooth and light in colour. Then using a sieve, add in the flour, cocoa powder and the salt. The next up, what you want to do is to gently fold all those ingredients together, but just be careful not to overmix it. Next, you want to grease up your Ooni skillet pan with butter and tip the mixture into the pan and spread it out evenly. Fire up your Ooni and then aim for a stone temperature of between 200 and 250 degrees Celsius. The best tip I can give is to place your Ooni skillet pan furthest away from the flames, so place it at the front of the oven. Also, try and turn it often for an even bake. Ideally, what you want to do is to bake it until the centre of the mixture no longer wobbles. In my Ooni code of 16, the total bake took about 10 minutes, but the brownies still come out really nice and fudgy. If you prefer them to be a little bit drier, then let them bake for a little bit longer. So I'm Lewis of Untitled Pizza, and they were my Ooni skillet pan brownies baked in an Ooni oven. If you want the full recipe, then head on over to Ooni.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel over at Ooni Pizza Ovens.